Hello everyone, my name is Arohi and welcome to my channel. So guys, in my today's video we will talk about a new large language model Mistral Large 2, which is released by Mistral AI. This model is a 123 billion parameter model and Mistral Large 2 outperforms Llama 3.1 405 billion parameter model on many benchmarks. And if you don't know what Llama 3.1 is, so Llama 3.1 is a large language model, the latest large language model by Meta AI, and it is a large publicly available LLM till date. In this blog, we can see the performance of various LLMs on different benchmarks. So let's see that. So Mistral 2 has a context window of 128K size and it supports various languages like these, and apart from that it supports 80 plus coding languages including these languages. And now let's see the performance of Mistral 2 on various benchmarks. First we are comparing the performance of Mistral Large 2 model and the Llama 3.1 405 billion model. And here you can see that Mistral Large 2 model and the Llama 3.1 405 billion parameter model, they are almost providing the similar kind of accuracy. But guys, one thing to note over here is that the Mistral Large 2 model have only 123 billion parameters and Llama 3.1 is using 405 billion parameters. So the size of Mistral Large 2 model is quite smaller as compared to this model, but still we are getting the same kind of performance on code generation. And if on this side, if you'll see the performance on maths task, here you can see that the Mistral Large 2 model is performing little better as compared to the Llama 3.1 405 billion parameter model. And now let's scroll down and compare the performance with other tasks. Here, let's see this task. So on this code generation, let's see the performance of different models on code generation. So this one is Mistral Large 2 model, then Llama 3.1 405 billion model, and here see guys, if you'll see this and this, we have the same model, but these values are mentioned in the paper and these values are measured by the Mistral AI when they use this model. Okay, so Mistral Large 2 model, the average accuracy of Mistral Large 2 model is 74.4%, and GPT-4o model have the accuracy of 75.3%. And if you'll see the Llama 3.1 405 billion parameter model, the average accuracy is 73.4%. And now if you want to see the language wise, specific language wise, so on C++, Mistral Large 2 model is giving us 84.5% accuracy, and Llama 3.1 405 billion model is giving 82% accuracy. Okay, so here the Mistral Large 2 model is performing better as compared to Llama 3.1. But if you'll see the GPT-4o is performing better as compared to the Mistral Large 2 model and the Llama 3.1 model on C++ task. And over here on Bash, here in this case the Llama 3.1 405 billion model is performing better than both the models, the Mistral Large 2 model and the GPT-4o model. So on this particular language, Llama 3.1 405 billion parameter model is performing better, but on Java, Mistral Large 2 model is performing better. Even over here in Java, even it is performing better than GPT-4o. And on TypeScript also you can see this is the performance of Mistral Large 2, 86.8%, and here the Llama 3.1 model is giving 83.6% this accuracy. Here you can see the Mistral Large 2 model is performing better as compared to Llama 3.1 405 billion parameter model. Okay, now if you want to see the performance on other tasks, let's say here, let's compare the performance on this benchmark, multilingual MMLU. So now these are the different languages Mistral Large 2 model is trained on. So in the same way, Llama 3.1 model is also trained on multiple languages, and now on the basis of this benchmark, we are just comparing the result of Mistral Large 2 and the Llama 3.1405 billion model on this particular benchmark. And here the Llama 3.1 model is performing slightly better than the Mistral Large 2 model. But again, you also need to keep in mind that the Mistral Large 2 model is only 123 billion parameter model, and the Llama 3.1 model is having 405 billion parameters. Now let's see the performance language wise. So here you can see that the Llama 3.1405 billion parameter model is performing slightly better for all the languages, but it is okay, I guess, because the size difference is huge. So the weights are available. You can download this model and use it, and for that you need to visit the Hugging Face page, and over here from Mistral AI you can get this model. But to use this model you first need to agree and access the repository. So you have granted the access to use this model, then you can scroll down, and here you can see the different steps. You need to install this, then you can download the model like this, and then this is how you can try this model. So in this video we are not trying out the coding part, so this is how you can download this model. And guys, if you want to try this model on the Mistral AI website, so this is the chatbot. Here the model selected is Mistral Large 2, the model which is their latest release. You can ask questions, we can write questions over here. So let's say we are writing, write a poem on generative AI. See, we have a poem on generative AI. So now let's write a code for binary search. So here we have a code for that, and it is also providing us the explanation. Now let's write, translate how are you in French. So this we have. So this is what Mistral Large 2 model is. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.